I really can't stay.
But baby, it's cold outside.
I've got to go home.
Baby, it's cold outside.
This evening has
Been hoping that you drop in.
very nice.
I'll hold your hands, they are just like ice.
My mother will start to worry.
Beautiful, but what's your hurry?
And father will be pacing the floor.
Listen to that fireplace roar.
So really I'd better scurry.
Beautiful, but please don't hurry.
Well, maybe just a half drink.
Why don't you put some...
Good morning, everyone. Stereo Man on location at the customer's residence, doing a remote start on this very nice, almost new 23 F-150 crew cab with the 5.5 foot bed, putting a basic remote start on this. And we're putting the enhanced remotes on this, which have a little more than a half-mile range. If you want this, you can have it. All you gotta do is make the call. It is cold out. It's about 27, 28 degrees out here. And guess what? We can come to your house, your job, your hairdresser. It doesn't matter. What does matter is that you make the call. It really is just that simple. 708-821-3526. We got the vehicle running right now just so we can have the heat going in here, so the wires and everything will be a lot easier to access and all that good stuff. So as you see, this is a very nice vehicle, and when we get finished, you won't be able to tell anything was ever disassembled, which is what you always get when you come to Greer Auto. Those who desire the best, call the best. It's just that simple. 708-821-3526. Let's get started, shall we? So we're running the antenna cable now, and we got just about all of our wiring finished in here. And of course, when we get done, you won't even be able to tell anything was ever disassembled, which is what you always get when you come to Greer Auto. Doesn't matter if your vehicle is new or old. If your vehicle has a factory warranty on it, do not let anyone tell you that putting a remote start on will avoid your warranty, because it does not. As long as it's professionally installed, and we are professionals here at Greer Auto. So you need to make the call. It really is just that simple. 708-821-3526. Let's finish up. As you see, we're all finished with the 23 F-150 regular key model. You don't see any wires hanging, nothing missing, nothing loose, nothing broken, nothing in disarray. Everything retains a factory appearance, just like when we started on the vehicle. I can hit the lock button. Doors lock, lights flash. Factory alarm activates as well. Hit the unlock button. Doors unlock. You can hit the start button twice. Starts right up. And of course, just like with any of our remote starts, if the key is not in the ignition and someone attempts to drive off, it shuts right down. And with this vehicle, we incorporated the remote start into its factory key fob as well, even though factory key fobs don't work nearly as far, 50 to 100 feet typically, while our aftermarket remotes work over a half mile away. But with the factory key fob, you hit the start button, hit the lock button 3 times. And starts right up, as you can see. And you see this has the active shutters. And of course, you can turn it off with the factory key fob as well. Hit the lock button 3 times again. And there you have it, another flawless install. So when you want the best, hey, you gotta make the call. It's just that simple. It is cold out in the Atlanta area. Like I said, it's less than 30 degrees right now, y'all. New Year's is in a couple days. Get this as a New Year's present for someone or for yourself. It doesn't matter. What does matter is that you make the call. It really is just that simple. 708-821-3526. Follow us, like us, subscribe to us, call us, and refer us. Until the next time, peace, God bless you, and we'll see you at the next install.
There'll be plenty.
If you caught pneumonia and died,
I really can't stay.
get over that hold down, 'cause it's cold outside. It's so cold out there, baby, you can freeze up last night.